Hi everyone, I hope so everybody fine. So in this video under the chapter perimeter and area we are going to learn one more problem. The problem given here is a rectangular path of 60-meter length and 3-meter wide. It's covered by a square tiles. So there is a pathway. That pathway we are going to cover with the square tiles. And then how many tiles are needed to fix the pathway they are asking. So just imagine this is a pathway. The measurement of the pathway they have given as 60 meter and then 25. The measurement of the pathway it's given as a 60 meter and then 3 meter. So in this pathway I'm going to take a small tiles that is a square in shape and I'm going to fix it. So they're asking how many tiles are needed, like this small tiles, how many tiles are needed to fix this. So measurement of the tile is given as a 25 centimeter. When you observe the units of the different measurement, the measurements of the floor, the measurements of the pathway it's given as a meter, and the measurement of the small tile is given as a centimeter. So for our convenience we are converting everything to the centimeter. So I'm sharing the space of the path among the tiles. So the space occupied by the one tile, if I know, then I can identify the space occupied by the whole pathway because I know the area of a rectangle. So the question is find the number of tiles by using the area of the pathway and then area of a square. We can find easily the number of tiles which has been used. How? The pathway area is surrounded by, and just for understanding I'm writing, area 1 is a pathway area. It is surrounded by the tiles. I don't know how many tiles. So number of tiles, n stands for number of tiles, and then area surrounded by each tile. Because so many tiles it's surrounded we are saying. So what is the area surrounded by one tile we are finding, and then multiplying by a n mean surely it will be equal to the area of the whole pathway. But very easily we can write, keep the n as such and bring a area to the opposite side. Already area 1 is available. When you bring a area 2 to the opposite side, it will come in a denominator. So always keep it in your mind for your further understanding. Whenever they are asking us to find the number of tiles, number of bricks in a 2D shape, it's very easy. Always divide the bigger area by smaller area. So in this figure, which is a bigger area? The pathway is a bigger area. So we are writing area of path divided by area of the tiles. When you observe area of the path, the measurements are in a meter, but area of the tile is given as a measurement in centimeter. So let's convert everything as a centimeter. So 60 in 1 meter, 100 centimeter. So 60 meter, we are joining 2 more zeros multiplied by 300, and then area of the tiles which is in a square shape. So 25 into 25, everything we have converted into centimeter. Okay, now Instead of finding the area separately and dividing, we can strike out directly. 1 time 25 is 25. In 100, 4 times are there. In 300, 12 times. The same thing. 125 is 25. In 300, 12 times mean in 600, 24 times. So it is 240. When you multiply the 240 and the 12, we will get the total number of tiles. That is a 240 into 12, which is equal to 2880 tiles is needed to cover up this pathway whose measurement is 60 meter and 30 meter. I hope so you have understood this problem. Always keep this in your mind. Whenever they are asking us to find the number of tiles or the number of bricks, always we have to find the area of the bigger one and then we have to divide it by the area of the smaller one. Let's meet in the next video.